Get a feel for the 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid. Introducing the Honda Civic Hybrid, a perfect blend of efficiency, style, and advanced technology. This compact sedan features a hybrid powertrain that delivers exceptional fuel economy, making it an eco-friendly choice for your daily commute. With its sleek design and comfortable interior, the Civic Hybrid offers a sophisticated driving experience. Equipped with cutting-edge features like the Honda Sensing Safety Suite and an intuitive infotainment system, you'll stay connected and protected on the road. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, premium sound system, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated front seat, heated mirrors. Isn't it exciting to see how the future of driving looks greener and more stylish?